Hi everyone, this is Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy, with free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me. Today I have a video on our screen protectors. I have two examples, the Whistler TRX1 and the Uniden SDS100. In our screen protector package, we do send 3 screen protectors, so in case you make a mistake with your first application, you got a couple backups here. First, I will show you the Uniden SDS100. So you see it comes with little plastic film over the top when you receive it. So we'll just peel that off. And I have a little eyeglass cleaner here that'll help us out. Make sure we don't have any smudges or excess dust. You don't want any bubbles. So as you can see, I kind of picked at the corner on the adhesive side, and I will peel that off. I did get a little fingerprint on the corner. We'll see how that actually translates to the scanner. And then you want to line it up in the corner. Make sure there's no overlap on the plastic. So you can see there are some bubbles here, but I will peel off the red film on the outside. And then we'll go back to the eyeglass cleaner. Okay. Yeah, there are definitely some bubbles, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how exactly you can apply it. I am doing this on a video from overhead, so I can't actually see the scanner while I'm applying it, so I apologize for that. But this is essentially how you're going to apply the screen protector to the Uniden SDS100. Next, I will show you the Whistler TRX1. Alright, and here we have the Whistler TRX1. I have a little bonus program here taking off the plastic case. So you're going to want to turn it upside down, flip the corners, push through the back here, and take it out of the antenna holder. And sometimes when you receive this TRX1, it does look like the screen is scratched a bit, but that is the film that comes on the scanner when it arrives. You see this blue tab here, you're going to want to peel that off, and it's always going to come off before the actual film. That's actually what I wanted. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's going to happen to you too, so you might as well see it from me first. And you want to grab a corner, and it's going to go all the way down to the number keys. And discard that. See, look how clean that is. No scratches. Perfect. All right, and then this screen protector is going to go on horizontally as opposed to the vertical on the SDS100. All right, and as you saw in the Uniden SDS100 portion of this video, the red film in the screen protector was on both sides. On this one, I just have it on the adhesive side, which makes it a little bit easier to see which side is, of course, the adhesive side. So depending on the batch you receive from us, the screen protector could have the red film on one side or both. But for this Whistler TRX1 portion, it's just on one side. So I'm gonna set down the scanner and get that prepared. So this time we have no bubbles. All right, and you're gonna want to line it up around that corner and cover the Whistler logo there. This one came on a little bit smoother. We still have some bubbles on the corners, but nothing on the screen itself. Spoke too soon. There's one right there. There you have it. This has been a screen protector application video for the Whistler TRX1 and the Uniden SDS100. I'm Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. With free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me.